8, 20, 26. I think we should go home. I'm back. Whoa, okay, I'll make some dinner. Time to go to sleep. The story ends. Cool. Snatch. How are we ever gonna escape? We want to escape. Come urgently. But there's no escape. Where am I? Oh, I found a hotel. Finally, there's a customer. It's great to chat. This hotel is cool. Yeah, and thanks for saving me. Snatch. Snatch. Well, better things can happen. Win for me. I will, McDonald. Snatch.